This rectangle represents the mind, and this is the past, the present, the future. This is the soul, and this is the body. And this represents the supreme soul or the universe. Disputes, fights, wars first begin in the mind. Initially, they are small thoughts of fear, doubt, worry, lack of trust, feeling unsafe, insecure, and these create contradictions, disagreements within our mind due to the overthinking or excess thoughts, which is causing chaos and confusion in our mind. And they are in the form of memories. They are There are conflicts, clashes, which grow into feeling threatened, and initially there are irritations, annoyance, frustrations, but slowly it grows into worry, stress, and as it grows in intensity, it becomes rage, aggression, violence, leading to disputes and wars. When we are rooted in the present, because in the past mind there are a lot of thoughts in the form of memories, etc. There could be traumas also, but in the present there is it's a very holy sacred space, and this is called the no thinking zone or no mind zone. So what happens, because there are no thoughts, it's a very subtle feeling of peace, love, because in the no thought zone or in the present, we feel the divine feeling in our hearts of love. So here we will feel the peace, love, and the more our hearts are feeling love and the more our hearts are sensitive, feeling the warmth, tender, the more we receive the more the heart opens up to receive the energies which are flowing from the supreme or the universe towards us. So when we are in the present, what happens is we are connected to our soul or our being, and we become mindful. Mindful meaning the mind is full of the unconditional love of the divine and the joy. Joy, why? Because so peace, love, and joy. Joy because the energy's essence is Sat Chit Anand. Sat meaning truth, Chit meaning consciousness, and Anand meaning joy. So here peace, love, and joy in the present, this is the truth. So when we practice being present, we come into peace. So this is the feeling body zone, or we can call it the freedom zone, free of thinking, or the no mind zone also. So now when we constantly practice again and again to be meditative and be present, we begin to get rooted in the peace. And what happens when we get rooted in this peace? We start, our heart center starts opening up, and we start receiving all the life force energies from the supreme soul and the essence, which is joy. So these energies and the joy heals all the past negative samskaras in the mind. And because of those samskaras, our heart center is imprisoned or trapped with the suppressed emotions. So any bad thoughts are there like fear, worry, stress. blocks our heart center and we don't have the good feeling. So we suppress all the emotions, suppressed emotions. So the heart center should be open because it is the feeling body. So as we start practicing being in the present and we come into that peace, and these samskaras, negative samskaras, start healing from our mind. So the suppressed emotions also begin to heal. And when they start healing, the heart center starts healing. So what happens? It begins to open up and awakens to the feeling body. That is awareness. Awareness means the feeling body. And the EQ, the emotional quotient, becomes balanced. Now, the more we feel, the more our EQ is strengthened. So the inner strength means a balanced EQ. So hence, the peace, it grows into greater strength. The more we feel strong in our feeling body, the more we become aware and the more our peace grows into greatest strength. So always out of peace, love arises. The feeling body, the love, the unconditional love. And out of love, the joy arises. So the more we feel love in our hearts, the energies from the Supreme or the universe starts to flow towards us. The positive, creative, healing energies. And so out of peace, love arises, and out of love, joy arises. So the more we feel divine sensitivity, the more the energies will flow freely, easily, and joyously. Why we say freely? Because when our heart is open and there is no past mind, then the energies flow freely without any blockage and easily, no blockage. And joyously I say because the energy's essence is joy, Satchit Anand. So what happens? The more we feel the divine sensitivity of our heart, the more the energies will flow freely, easily, and joyously. Now, how to heal the mind and the suppressed emotions created out of the negativity of the mind? Because breath is connected to our spirit. We breathe because we are connected to our spirit and we are alive because of that breath. So we know when we die, our breath leaves us, then we die. So the breath is very much connected to our soul and the feeling body. Feeling of aliveness, feeling of love, feeling the warmth, sensitivity, etc. But because we are human and we keep thinking and we are most of the time our attention is on the mind, so we create different types of thoughts. Because sometimes we feel fear, sometimes we feel worry, sometimes we feel sad, and we keep randomly thinking. So we have mixed thoughts, negative as well as positive, and this heart center is also having mixed thoughts, positive as well as negative. So negative creates the suppressed emotion. So if you observe your breath, the breath is linked to our emotions. So if you observe it very carefully, you will notice that when you are relaxed and calm, the breath is very deep and slow. Whereas when we are stressed, we are sad, we are fearful, we are angry, we are excited, so the breath becomes quick, hurried, and shallow. It is superficial. It is like fast and It's not deep down from the belly. It is just from the this space where the heart and lungs are. It is a bit shallow. So to silence and heal the mind or the thoughts in the mind, one has to be on the breath. If we keep our attention on the breath, then directly it is having access to our spirit. So when our attention is on the breath, immediately we become present and we are connected to the spirit. And from the spirit we connect to Supreme Soul. From mind we cannot connect to Supreme Soul, nor can we connect. Either we can be in the mind or either we can be in the soul. We can serve one master in one moment. So when either we are thinking or we are feeling. And how to feel? By going on the breath. Feel the breath, the feeling of aliveness, the feeling of love, the feeling of warmth. So when you feel your breath, instantly it's a tool to connect to your spirit and become present. And second way is, when you keep practicing it, we get rooted in the present, we get rooted in the peace, and from that space, from that feeling of sensitivity, when we do our actions, any action what we like to do, all the activities, our work, etc., when we do it by being totally absorbed and immersed in that activity, again we are become meditative and we become mindful, we become present. So again we are connected to the spirit. And from spirit, all the good is flowing. All the peace, love, joy, all the ideas, the insights, the creativity, all the gifts and the blessings are being sent over here. So only thing is that we have to heal our mind or the past, the negative sanskaras of the past, and that will heal our suppressed emotions. And when our heart center opens up, we'll become receptive to receive all the life force energies from within us. And slowly and steadily, when our mind becomes present and we become peaceful, our third eye or the intellect becomes very clear. So from that space, we get all the intuitions, inner guide. Inner guide, it shows us the way, the right way, and we are able to discern and recognize everything happening within and without us. So there will be a clear-cut communication from the universe. And if we are in the past mind, overthinking, holding grudges, resentment, unforgiveness, then in those moments we are missing out on this, all the goodies that are flowing here. So we have to be very aware whether we are in the thinking past mind or we are in the present peaceful mind. So this will help us create a beautiful life. So you are peace and you are the love you seek. You are peace. No matter what is happening around you, people are giving their opinions. That is their thought, their opinion. You are still given peace by the divine as a gift within you. So don't take things personally. Just be in your present, be in your peace. Don't compare yourself with others. Just be who you are. You are a unique, original masterpiece. So just try to see and be in your peace, connect to your peace, and you are the love you seek. We are seeking love from outside, but the whole ocean of love is within us. So be present, heal the mind, happy healing, and this will bring us into peace. And every individual if they come into peace, it will create a world full of peace and end to all suffering. Learn and do the pranayams and the breath works with the help and guidance of an expert. Please like, subscribe and share this video as much as possible so we can help heal and transform this world into a beautiful place. Follow me for more insights into healing, creating and maintaining so we all can have a good life.